Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2015 Ford Expedition Platinum, and I will show you how to set up your own personalized door keypad code. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2015 to 2017, so the third generation, but after the facelift. This can be done through the main vehicle menu on the main screen here. So first you want to press the settings button, and then you want to select the vehicle. And here you have the option Door Keypad Code, so you want to select that. And once you are here, before you can actually add your own code, you'll have to enter the 5-digit factory code. Now this code usually comes if you buy a new vehicle on a small owner card the size of a business card, but if you don't have it or if you lost it, a good thing, there is an easy way to find your factory code, and in the description of this video there is a link to my other video on how to find it. Okay, so my factory code is 35157. Enter. Now we have a question: how would you like to edit the user door keypad code? You can add one or erase one. So let's say I want to add one, and now your own personalized code, you can enter whatever you want. Let's say 13597. Okay, 13597, and enter. And this is how you do it. Now you can try your code on the door. It's actually very easy to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.